Hello everyone, Chris here from Midwest Coaster Fans, bringing you another Orion update. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel for future content that'll be dropping down. And with that being said, let's go ahead and bring you the update on Orion. Today is October 10th, 2019. Looking at it, as you can see to the left side, the brake run is going up. Yes, the final brake run is finally going up on Orion. They did a media tour the other day with local media from Cincinnati and showcased what was going on. And they had more cranes on site during that construction update. So we knew that it was going to definitely add to more work being done. So that's great news on that. And we could see that another piece of the first lift hill, which is a 287-foot lift hill, is nearing its completion and probably will be put in place within the next week or so. The first drop, as you could see, is pretty close to the ground. So these near elements close to the ground and near the trees and so forth are going to give Orion a special kind of ride experience. This is going to make you feel like you're going faster than 91 miles an hour. And it's also going to add more to the experience. The other Gigas that I know of that I've ridden Millennium Force, and I'll be riding Fury 325 here next week, none of them go through wood lines. So this is definitely going to be a one-of-a-kind experience on Orion. And we can't wait to ride it. But that concludes the update on today. And we wanted to give you a weekly update. We're going to weekly updates instead of 2 times a week just because it's easier and it's not as confusing for everybody watching our channel. Please be sure to subscribe to Midwest Coaster Fans. If you subscribe, you automatically enter to win 2 tickets to Busch Gardens Tampa. And with that being said, this is Chris signing off with Midwest Coaster Fans. Until next time.